I'm Darnell with Live Young Lifestyle, and I'm here today with my best friend Gina, and we are doing a side-by-side recipe. I am making turmeric vegetables, and Gina's making
turmeric chicken. Yay!
In my quest to reduce my meat intake, my family is not 100% on board, but I'm almost vegan. I'm a little bit pescatarian. So I'm trying to now come up with recipes that work equally well with poultry and meats as they do with vegetables. So I'm constantly doing dual pans, but the same kind of seasoning. You're gonna be in charge of the chicken and I'm gonna be doing the vegetables. We're gonna put all of this in here. We took the skin off of this and I slit each piece of chicken 3 or 4 times. That way all the seasoning kind of gets inside. And you are gonna be putting 2 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric. It's a really high antioxidant, it's anti-cancer, it's anti-inflammatory, which if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that inflammation is the root of all diseases. So this is really, really good for you. And it tastes great. So you're doing 1.5 teaspoons of that. And good. I'm going to, in a separate bowl, do the same thing but with cauliflower. So this is 1 head of cauliflower. And I'm gonna add extra potatoes because I have a big family, but it's around 2 cups of potatoes. These are red potatoes just because that's what I got from Farm Fresh to You. Make sure it's coated really well. It should all be like a nice light orangey color. This is about 1.5 cups of peas.
Hashtag food channel.
And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So this is 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric.
Now people use like turmeric for everything, for shakes, everything.
I know. So all of the actual list of ingredients will be on liveyounglifestyle.com. And in the description below, I will have a link. We're gonna let that sit for a second. We're going to heat a medium pan with avocado oil. And while that's sitting, just make sure it's really well coated.
It's really well coated.
You're gonna add 1 whole, this is a yellow onion. You can use white onion as well. Let this get a little bit hot.
All of this in here or in the pan?
In the pan. Okay. So hold on 1 second. Let's make sure we have enough oil. Again, avocado oil is really great because you can cook with this on high heat and it's really good for you. Yeah, so let this heat up a little bit. Now I'm gonna be doing about the same thing over here. It looks like we have a little bit more onions.
Don't take from mine.
I'm stealing your onions.
Don't take from mine,
yeah,
go away.
So that's about it's about 1 full onion. And I need to mix this over here as well. So I'm taking the vegetables. You can throw the onions in there. And you're gonna cook that for about 8 minutes until they're a little bit translucent.
Can I have this?
Yep, that's yours. I think I just inhaled. I inhaled, no, turmeric.
Oh.
Turmeric is now in my lungs. Thank God it's anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer. You can use any kind of potatoes that you want. I subscribe to Farm Fresh to You, so they send me what's in season. And they sent me these purple potatoes, so I'm using it. It kind of makes the cauliflower a little bit more, you know, not so
very
bland.
Festive. Pretty. You know the story that whenever we have a get-together with our friends, and I'm like, I'll bring something to eat, and they're like, no, just you can pick up the dessert or bring the alcohol.
Yeah, Gina's on dessert and alcohol duty. Well, now you can say you can make turmeric chicken.
I'll make turmeric chicken.
Yeah. Look, yours is looking good. We're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. So we're
gonna buy this minced? Because I do.
No. No, because the minute you mince it, you're losing, you know, the good stuff out of it, like every second. So it's better to keep it whole, keep it in like, you know, the thing, and then just chop it right
Pop
before.
it out. All right, you can put the garlic in there.
Of minced garlic. You're gonna only cook that for another 2 minutes. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon dry sherry. You can also use white wine. Ooh, that's a little bit more than a tablespoon. Okay.
Did you make this up?
Most of the recipes that I have on liveyounglifestyle.com are versions that I've found in healthy magazines that are not really healthy. And so I take them and work with them over a period of a couple months and figure out how to make them in a healthier way. So this is inspired by a recipe, but it's, you know, very much Live Young kind of take on it. Yeah, I'm not a chef. I just like to figure out ways to bring the freshest and most nutrient-dense stuff to my body and to my
So
family.
if there was a third pan, it would be Gina's pan.
Yeah, which
and it
would
would
be
be like
bu-
cheese
butter.
and butter and a little salt.
Now we're gonna add to that the chicken. So we took the skin off. This recipe calls for about 5 legs, or drumsticks, I mean, and 4 or 5 bone-in thighs. Of course, I have a really big family, but I did put a boneless, skinless chicken breast in there for you because I know
Thank
that's what you.
Yeah, I don't do
That's
bones.
what you eat. So we're gonna do this for about 3 minutes on each side is all. So cook it for 3 minutes. I'll go
So you
in
just
here.
keep it sitting here for 3 minutes, and you turn it on the other side.
Yeah,
Okay.
turn it on the other side. So I'm gonna add all the vegetables to this pan.
That looks good.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let that.
I know
Cook
you
for about-
only eat this, but you serve that with this.
You can, when I serve it to my family, and you serve it with brown rice. So I will sometimes do this with brown rice, or I used to when I was eating a lot of meat and poultry. I would serve this with brown rice and like a salad and maybe asparagus or something like that. Now my family's eating this together, and I'm just eating this
Right.
with the brown rice and salad. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to this, and then let me add this to here. And then a 1/4 cup of hot water. Try to like scrape the edges, any of the brown.
Why did you get the water hot? Can't I just put in room temperature?
You can, but then you're cooling down your dish. With the vegetables, I tend to add a little tiny bit more because we kind of need them to steam a little bit. And then we're gonna cover it. You're gonna turn it down to medium-low.
Okay, which one is mine?
Okay, here's this one. And then it's gonna sit here for 30 minutes.
Quiet time.
Yeah. Now's the time when we would like have a glass of wine. With the chicken, I tend to leave a little bit of a tilted lid. But this I kind of want to steam because there's potatoes and cauliflower and things that are really hard in there, so I want to steam that for a little bit. But that's it. You wait 30 minutes, you sprinkle a little parsley over the top, you serve it with brown rice. It's a really healthy meal.
Now watch, with the magic of editing. Ta-da!
30 minutes later.
Yay!
Doesn't it look good?
Here, let me
So then you sprinkle a little bit of parsley on it.
This is just for color.
So there you have it, a healthy recipe spiced with a powerful antioxidant that both your meat lovers and your vegan lovers will enjoy. And that is a really good way to live young.
Yay!
Come on, it smells great.